Jane Esselstyn.
I'm Ann Esselstyn.
And she's driving today, if you can't tell. Today we're cooking out of the Prevent and Reverse Heart Disease Cookbook. And it has this amazing title. Will you please read
It's an asparagus mushroom pie with lemon cheesy sauce. And let me just say that it's hard to have a favorite recipe. But what I like about this is that in it is the ingredients blow my mind. And if I could eat this every day, I would be I think I would live forever. So,
can I make one comment? The lemon cheesy sauce we have already made with you guys. So we're going to have it flying here and tell you the name of the video so you can have that made or follow along after this video.
So I'm going to start.
It's on page 202 if you're following along in the Prevent and Reverse Heart Disease Cookbook.
This isn't right. I need this here.
Okay, it's all right.
I'm going to start with 2 cups of cooked brown rice. And what I love is I make this whenever I end up having an extra 2 cups of brown rice.
This is short grain brown.
This is short grain brown rice, and that's key because I want it to be a little sticky. And so I'm going to, Jane, would you put in a tablespoon of this in here?
Tablespoon?
A tablespoon.
Can you say what this is? Lemon
pepper. It's got no salt, but it's very flavorful.
It was a generous tablespoon, by the way.
And I'm just going to stir that around. And then I am going to put it into my pie tin.
Do you want some garlic powder? You have garlic powder in here.
I'm going to skip it.
Really?
Yeah, you can pour it in if you want now.
Well, I'm going to see if my garlic powder hasn't petrified. We tried to put some garlic powder in earlier, and it was like we put in a stone. Oh, there.
Oh,
it worked.
Woo!
It worked.
Woo!
Hey.
Should have done it earlier. So, what I want to do is get this up the sides so it looks like a pie, because this is sometimes hard to cut into pie shapes unless you let it get a little.
I've always argued with her that this is not a pie.
It is a pie. It is a pie.
I won't.
We're not discussing it because it is a pie. All right. And then the next thing is, Jane, we're going to put tomato slices all over the bottom.
Oh, like a little layer of tomato. This is almost like a lasagna pie.
Yeah. This is beautiful. I mean, this is gorgeous. Then, Jane, we're going to sprinkle about half of those on there.
These are her cubed scallions.
They're chopped, nicely chopped scallions. And then,
do you want all these in there?
No. Save some for the top.
That's
please.
Glad I asked.
Then this, I did this to save time. But what I do is I put sliced mushrooms in a pan and put them all face down and cook them for about 5 minutes. Don't look at them, walk away, go to the bathroom, do anything. Come back and then sprinkle a tablespoon of balsamic vinegar on top of them, flip them, and then right from the pan, put them with their juice or whatever on top of this and spread it around.
I wonder if we we do have a mushroom video, I think.
And then in the same pan, I will put my asparagus that I have cut into little cubes.
Do you mean with the mushrooms in the same pan?
No. The mushrooms are now here, okay?
In the same skillet. Sorry.
They're right in here. And then in that pan where the mushrooms were, and they're now here, I am going to put the asparagus and cooked it. Add a little bit of water if necessary. Cook it until
your
it is
asparagus
tender.
is cubed.
And
tossed and cubed.
And here is my asparagus.
Wait, can I say it like it's
cut.
It's a rare form for asparagus.
And then on top of the asparagus, I have cooked in the same pan as the mushrooms were cooked and put in here, and the asparagus was cooked and put in here. I am putting in the kale. And so I'm putting the kale in and cooking it, and I've cooked it, and I'm making sure that it doesn't have too much liquid. And then I'm putting this all over the top. Now, can you believe this beautiful, incredible creation.
It is a mountain of health.
And
that
Jane,
is for sure.
on top of this, I'd like a tablespoon of balsamic vinegar sprinkled.
Can I sprinkle it or just pour it and sprinkle?
Sprinkle it. I mean, whatever. All over it. And then, I'm just going to bring this. Here is my lemon cheesy sauce. Ooh, just a little.
Okay.
That I am going to put
really
on top
pretty.
of this.
Now, what's in the lemon cheesy sauce again? It's nutritional yeast, lemon,
Hummus.
Again,
And
it's a different recipe.
turmeric.
Turmeric.
Kale, a key thing. And
Yeah,
lots
turmeric.
of lemon.
That is so pretty.
I mean, isn't this amazing? I mean, I find
Paragon of health. Look at that.
I find it just amazing. And then I'm going to sprinkle some rest of these green onions.
Nice.
Oh, no, we forgot a little.
What?
I need nutritional yeast. A little nutritional yeast right on the top here.
Yeah. That's great. So that's going to be that's going to brown on top nicely. Well, kind of nicely. The way that everything, the plant-strong, plant-based, plants-only world, browns. Gently. Randomly.
All right. And into the oven. Can you believe this beautiful
So before
packed pie? Ha.
Anne actually made one this morning. So we're going to pull the one she made out of the oven and show you it right now. The exact same way. Okay. Here we go. You want to grab it? Oh, it looks so good. It smells delicious. Yummy, yummy.
It cooked a little long,
You think?
but now let me tell you, if you can't wait, you get a messy little heap. But if you can wait, you really can cut it into pie-like shapes. But it doesn't matter. However it is, it's fabulous. So
It is beautiful. It's beautiful cooked. It's beautiful raw. Or not raw, uncooked. Or semi-cooked, not yet baked. And I must have had it hot out of the oven. That's why I didn't think it was always a pie wedge I was getting, but just sort of a wonderful shepherd's pie-ish texture.
no, pie. It is a delicious asparagus mushroom pie with lemon cheesy sauce. Love it.
Okay, so we cleaned up and let it cool off.
Well, I'm not sure we cooled it long enough, but
Fingers
we'll
crossed.
see. But again, remember, it just doesn't matter if it isn't in a pie shape. Now, note, it's like a pie right now, kind of.
We're cutting it with a tovolo. What?
Woo! Yep.
Yep.
It's going to be good.
Just look at that.
See, it's a pie. It's great.
Okay.
Look at that.
When
Look.
things
No,
cool,
Jane, look.
Okay.
It's a pie.
When things cool, they do set. So this has not really. We cleaned up
warm.
really quickly, so it didn't have quite enough time to set. You want to put in a piece for yourself too? I'm gonna have this one. Here we go. Actually, maybe Wade wants to have a bite of it too, because this is just like a mountain of health. Sorry, mountain of health, and it's a little bit of a scramble when it's not quite set, but it is So delish.
So
I wish we had more lemon cheesy sauce in a way.
No. It's good. It's good.
It's good. Okay.
I think it's perfect.
Actually, I want Wade to try this one.
Please note.
Oh, you know what?
This is the one we're
in
going
the cookbook. We have a little red on it. Here, look how yummy it looks. Look at that top cam. Ooh. Yeah.
Woo!
Oh, there. Here, I'm putting a little tomato on it. That's for you and me. This is for you and me. Here. Cheers to lemon, mushroom, asparagus, rice,
And
tomato, kale, pie.
And turmeric.
Hello.
And in the hummus, I mean, really, everything you want in a day is right here.
This is great. I mean, it must be kind of like what quiche tastes like for people. I don't know. It's kind of cheesy, kind of lemony. I love my little tomato in there. It kind of has a burst of cold. Ooh! Ah! Don't step on that. What do you think, Wade? It's got some good flavor. Really, it's got some good flavor.
A lot of flavor.
Ha! A success.
All right.
Onward. Bye.
Oh, bye.